As AI becomes part of more decisions in our everyday lives, fairness has never been more important. These systems influence who gets opportunities, who receives support, and how people are treated across major areas like hiring, finance, and healthcare. Welcome to Ethical Implications of AI in Daily Life, Bias and Fairness in AI. In this part of the course, we'll take a clear look at what fairness in AI really means, how bias appears, how we can detect it, and the steps needed to build technology that treats everyone equitably. Let's explore how to make AI not just powerful, but genuinely fair. Artificial intelligence is now deeply embedded in the decisions and digital systems that shape our everyday lives. Because of this, fairness isn't just a nice-to-have, it's a fundamental requirement. As AI begins to influence areas like hiring, finance, healthcare, law enforcement, and education, we must make sure these systems treat people equitably. Fairness becomes both a technical duty and an ethical responsibility. One of the biggest challenges is the presence of bias. AI learns from data, and that data carries pieces of our world inside it, including inequalities, historical discrimination, and missing representation. When AI is trained on skewed information, it can produce unfair outcomes, whether that's misidentifying faces, rejecting qualified candidates, or misinterpreting someone's behavior. Bias can also appear through the assumptions developers make or through feedback loops that keep reinforcing the same patterns. That's why identifying bias early is critical. We need to audit data carefully, look for gaps, understand how and where the data was collected, and make sure it truly represents the people the AI will serve. Context matters. What works in one region or culture may not be accurate in another. Recognizing these details reduces the risk of AI systems amplifying unfairness. Modern AI development uses several strategies to mitigate bias. Fairness-focused algorithms help keep models balanced, while testing them on diverse groups reveals issues early. Transparency also plays a major role. When we document how a model works and where its data comes from, it becomes easier to evaluate and correct. External audits are extremely valuable too, because they bring objective oversight. And of course, diverse development teams help catch biases that others might overlook. Fairness also depends on the way AI systems are designed. That means working with datasets that represent people of different ages, genders, backgrounds, and experiences. It means making sure algorithms perform well for everyone, not just the majority. And it means embracing transparency, so users understand how AI reaches its decisions. Fair AI is never a one-time task. It requires continuous monitoring and improvement. Finally, fairness must be evaluated in the real world. We need to understand how AI impacts different communities, identify harms early, and listen directly to the people who use or are affected by these systems. Continuous feedback and outcome monitoring help us ensure AI promotes equality rather than limiting it. When all these elements come together, we create AI that is intelligent, but also responsible, inclusive, and aligned with human values. In the end, fairness in AI is a collective effort that blends technical expertise with ethical responsibility. By identifying bias, applying mitigation strategies, designing systems with equity in mind, and continuously assessing user impact, we can create AI technologies that promote justice, strengthen trust, and serve society more effectively. This vision of equitable AI is achievable and definitely essential for shaping a future where technology contributes to fairness rather than inequality.